trying to sell your house and buy a home at the exact same time. That is not for the faint of hearts. But it can be done without losing money or your mind. In today's video, we are gonna talk about the move-up strategies that I have helped with my clients to make a very smooth transition without ending up stuck with 2 mortgages or worse, homeless. Step 1, we have to run your numbers. So before we even touch a for sale sign or even go tour a new home, we wanna make sure the numbers make sense. Or what I like to say is the mathing. We wanna make sure that the current home market value, we wanna know what equity is, and then what your budget is for your next home, so that you're not guessing, it's all facts. Clarity is power. And the more you know about what you're gonna get into, the better you are at making a decision. Step 2, should we buy first or sell first? Here is how you decide. I always say every move-up plan has a different rhythm. Some clients sell first, some clients buy first. You have to figure out what makes sense for you. If they sell first, they typically are asking for a lease back or trying to rent in between the time before buying. Others buy first, use that equity to buy that property or use a bridge loan to do so. Or even an equity advance. There's so many options. We walk through those options so that it works for your timeline, your finances, and your stress level.
I get this all the time. Kira, I need a game plan. I don't want to do this alone. Well, go. Set up a strategy session, and you'll see that down below in the comments. And if there's someone who's like, I'm not ready just yet, that's totally fine. We can just keep your plan together for you. And if the time's right, we know what to do. Let's get into it.
Step 3 is prep and market your home while you house hunt. Once we know your game plan, I will help you set up your house to make sure it looks HD TV ready. We stage, we clean, we do professional photography while quietly starting to look for all the homes that meet your criteria and your needs for your next chapter. This way, we can move super fast if something pops up that you love. Step 4, we sync up the closing dates. Here's when the magic and the experience comes in handy. I coordinate timelines with both agents, lender, title company to make sure that all dates align. In many cases, we can buy or sell on the same day, which is closing for both. And then sometimes people need a little bit more flexibility for their comfort level. Sometimes we will either sell first, once again, whichever one matches for what your time frame and your stress level is. And then some people even will buy first, just depending on your game plan. However, you'll hear me say this all day, every day with all my clients. We're gonna make sure that you feel confident and comfortable through the entire experience. Pro tip, keep the faith plus pack your bags. In this process, it's gonna take a lot of teamwork, patience, and sometimes some praying, honey. But when you have a solid plan, the right team, and the realtor that gets it, this process can be so smooth. I always tell people, it will almost feel like you're not even moving, but you are. All right, so that is the move up blueprint. So if you're thinking about selling or buying in 2025 and you don't have a plan, don't do this alone. Schedule a one-on-one so that I can help you from where you are to where you want to be. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a friend that it can help, or you've heard say that they want to either buy or sell this year. I'm your girl, your real estate cheerleader, AKA your favorite Dallas realtor.
Oh my gosh, there she is. It's Kira Ford. Kira Ford. You don't know what? You never heard? Oh my gosh, she slays every